Hi lovers, how are you all doing? Welcome again to another beautiful vlog. Happy New Week. So in today's video we are going to be cooking yam as usual. Not as usual, but it's almost every Monday that I cook yam. I'm just coming back from shop. So my children has already come back from school and I just have to find something for them to eat before we finish cooking the yam. There is something that I eat in, I don't know. I don't know what they call this thing in English. I don't know what they call it in English. Because for our tribe we call it ona. You get? So we call it ona. And this particular thing is not everyone in Igbo language, it's not everyone that eat this thing. There is a place, there is a particular people that eat it. There is a particular people that doesn't eat it. Okay? So, and there is another thing. I don't want to go to what? Honor. Honor. So I don't want to go into very deep. Yeah. So in a particular place, they say they don't eat it. And the particular place that doesn't eat it, and from the place that doesn't eat this thing, say yes. And here I am eating it. So what do you think? Do you think I'm eating poison? Or do you think it will harm me? My own. Do you think it will harm me? I'm not even opening it. Or do you think it will harm me? Yeah, I'm not listening to you. Bring something empty for you. Let me see. Come here, purpose. So here I am eating it. So I don't know about it. I don't know about you. Do you think I'm making a big mistake by eating this thing? Because the place I'm from, they say they don't eat this thing. And I'm eating it. Funny, right? Yeah. Hmm? So that's it. This one here. She not of being. Somebody spend a lot of money and buy when you come home you see just be seeing nonsense. Now look at this one. Just be seeing nonsense. How can you spend money and buy something when you reach on that thing will not be good? Just nonsense. Okay. What are you doing? So guys, then this is the tea. This one is not yam. I don't know what they call it. I knew before. I know what they used to call it, but the English names keep my mind. Yes. So if you know it, what they call it in English, please remind me in the comment section. Okay. So this is the yam. This is the yam brother. Yeah. It's a brother to yam. It's a brother to yam. I don't know what I did with all of this. From this rice. So I decided to wash the uniform. So if you want to this time, this moment, that means enjoying the video, okay? Please keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing, keep subscribing. Have a wonderful day. Teaching lifestyle, guys.